Hello students, welcome, good evening. This is our second lesson of our series Oracle lessons for the beginners. So today our session will be tables, how to create a table, and we will show you 3 different ways that you can create table using SQL developer, and we will show you also later how to create table using Enterprise Manager. So for the first, before we go directly to the any other issues, we can create a table using SQL commands. For example, we can say create table and then table name. For example, we say TTD in short abbreviation of we know. Then in here, what columns will be there? So this will be, for example, we can say this one is like a name. So if there is a name, what size? So let's say PR, and then say that's the value. It's an example. Then let's say calendar. Sorry for this space, no space. And here another end. Let's cross this one, and we will see this is okay. As you can see at the bottom of the output, there is a table that's been created. For example, this is select all from TTT So as you can see, there are 2 columns, name and gender. And as well, you can also insert using this one, using normal SQL command. Insert into. Oh, sometimes it's better you can insert into. So you have to tell the table TTD, and then what the columns and gender, and then after that you have to say values. So for example, we have got a name, and in Somali we call like let us take this name, Ali Hassan, and it's very clear that Ali Hassan is a name, so we're given male, and then it's table is very clear. So you've just inserted, and we'll see if this is going to work for us. So in here you can see that there is one row is inserted, and before writing any other code, let's say run this one again and say run. You see Ali is there, Hassan is there. So before we go any other issues, so there is another way that you can create a table using scheme browser. And in here you can say that here which database, and then what kind of object is the table, and in here you can say it's a table. So you can say this the TGD. So we can say that it says this is just an example. It's an example. It's not that big. So here we can say name, and if you want to add, you have to use this one plus, and you can say gender. It's very simple. And so it's can you see there, and I hope that okay. Okay, so it's here. I hope it's here. It's here. As you can see, yeah, here's it. And one more thing that you can, which somehow is not familiar, but you can automatically go there and say table and create it in here in the same way, and it's very simple. On the other side, we can create the table using Interpret Manager. So how is it going to be possible? So let us go directly to the all programs, and let us go directly to the Oracle and database controller. If we run this button, then it's no problem. You can say okay. Let's go. For example, we have to say yes, and my password, and I have to go here. Okay, when you come here, you go directly to the schema because of time is running, and we have to just utilize this one. And you go directly to the table, and in the table, to say that this in the table, you have to say create, and in here you have to say this is the organization. Table organization. So you have got index organizer table, and you have got standard one. So let it be as this as standard one. So we have to say continue, and after continue, you have to give the table a unique name, with differentiated from other one it's calling. So we have to say, for example, students like student like students, and in here schema means which database. So I always prefer to take this one HR. So I'll go there and say select it at the top of it, but we can leave as it is this one, no problem. So if you go down here, you can see that here's the columns. You say here is the name. Normally we don't want to go far beyond any other thing. So, and here's the data tab, here's the size, here's the scale, no problem, you can leave it, and here you can say your second column name, gender, and you can say that 10, whatever it is, or you can say that's age, and you can over there, you can make a date, you can make a number, you can leave as it is, no problem. Okay, as you can see. So if you browse here, you can see this is the SQL Express. So return to the normal, and it's okay. We don't have any problem in here, so we can say that here. Okay, as you can see here, table is student is one more extra S is there. Sorry for that, but it's normal. Whatever the name, unique name that you give the table, it's going to take it. So as you can see here, there is a table has been successfully created. You go down there, you go down there, and you can identify it's here. Since it's unique, and you can see this is our table in here, and you can see name, gender, and age. All these are and here. So it's very clear, as I think that things are very clear. So for example, if you go back to the in here and say set or from what we say this, so yeah, very clear. So in both ways things are normal. Wish you good luck. See you other upcoming lessons, and wish you enjoy this video. Thank you very much.